Wait guys, wait. See this, the payment proof. $5, $2, $40, $1, $10, $12. And people are actually earning a good amount of money by just completing some simple tasks. How they are doing, just designing a professional logo, simple logo from an application, he is getting paid a good amount of money. Okay, and people worldwide, how they are earning online, guys. Just follow along this video and I'll teach you step by step how you yourself can earn a good amount of money from this website. Okay. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just following some simple steps. Guys, you can earn from this website by just link building, arts and designs, content writing. If you are from programming background, okay, you can do it on either way. If you are from programming background, you can do it guest posts, social network, traffic management, on-site SEO or research. So lots and lots of people are earning on this websites, and it's absolutely guys, you do not have to spend a penny from your pocket and you are getting paid for whatever service you want to sell on this website. Okay, so whatever service you want to offer, either you are from graphic designing post, either you want to write content, you just need to offer your service. And guys, you can see people are actually earning there. Okay, you can see 99% reviews. You can see guys, every single day this person is earning. We have 576. If you multiply, if I can multiply with $10 guys, minimum $10, then you can see guys, $5,000 plus he has earned, this person has earned from this website. Okay guys, so how to do it? Don't worry guys, I'll show you step by step how you can do it. Okay, you just need to click on this join button guys. Okay, and don't worry guys, the description, in my description box, okay, the website link is in my description box. You can redirect it to this website. Okay, just click on this login button and you can see guys, this is pop-up. You just need to register your username, email ID and password. Okay, so I quickly do it. Okay, and enter my email ID. Okay, and you know guys, it's absolutely free of cost guys. You do not have to use some software applications and you are good to go. Okay, so just enter my password. Okay, so I just enter my password. Okay, it's done, and just click on this continue button guys, and you are good to go. Okay, I am buyer or I am a seller. I am a seller guys. Okay, just enter your name guys. Okay, your skills, if you want to enter your skills, you can enter it and you join this. Let us suppose guys, I want to offer a skill of content writing. Okay, content and writing. Okay, I just offered these kind of skills. Okay, just click on this join button. Okay guys, and you are good to go guys. Okay, it will take some time, and you can see guys, I'm in my profile. Okay, I just now want to set up my profiles, some credentials that I need to specify. Okay guys, so I just come up in this profile section. You can see my profile. Okay, and you can see guys, this is my profile. Okay, so what type of things do I need to enter? Okay, this is my skill guys. Right now I don't have a work, so what I can do, I can see seller. I just want to sell a service. Okay, I just want to sell a service. Just click on this sell a service. Okay, so before I just need to sell a service guys, I just need to verify my email ID. Okay, so what I need to do, I just go up my Gmail account and just verify it. So I quickly do it, and guys, you can see this is my verification mail. Okay, I just need to click on this confirmation mail and you are redirected to different page. Okay, this is a email confirmation guys. Okay, I have successfully confirm my email address, just click on this sell a service, and you are redirected to this page, guys. Okay, now you are, because it's completely genuine, guys. Okay, just you need to do one thing. So what do I need to offer, guys? Okay, I just need to offer a content writing. Okay, I just need to offer content writing. So I just need to upload I just need to upload a photograph. Okay, so I just come up in this Google account and just type content writing pictures. Okay, so I just come up in this images and select some of the, you can see, guys, this picture is good. Okay, I just need to download this image. Okay, just save as and just save it on my desktop. I just click on this, guys. Okay, so it's not an image. Okay, so just click on the save, and this is an image. Okay, so I just come up in this site. Okay, just click on this and desktop. Okay, so where is my image? Let's see first. This is my image. Okay, and you can see, guys. Okay, so content writing job I need to offer. So this is how you need to upload. So guys, images are very important. Okay, just select some of the. Okay, so what is a title that you can select, guys? I can create, I can offer, you can say, I can offer best content writing service. Okay, I can offer, you can write as per your own niche. You can write, I can offer best whatever it is, programming service. Okay, so whatever. And guys, if you want to give, some of the most important thing is to give your service within a limited time. Okay, so try to complete the job within 2 to 3 days. Okay, I just give 2 days time. Okay, content writing, it will take 2 days max. Okay, guys, so you can select the categories, guys. You can see ample and ample of categories, guys. It doesn't matter, I just show you a demo of content writing. You can perform various kind of operations, guys. Okay, whether you are from different backgrounds, whether you are from gaming background, coding background, HTML, social network marketing, if you know visual assistants that you can give. Okay, you can perform any kind of job, guys. Business card design, you can also do it. Okay, I just click on this content writing, guys. It's my particular niche. So content, I just specify some tags, content writing. Okay, so these tags are very important, guys. Okay, very important. What's included? Okay, guys, I just type some of these tag marks. Okay, so just click on this continue button, and guys, this is your dashboard. So price per order, guys. In the beginning, I just want to recommend you to have per order, minimum per order, let us suppose $70. Okay, from one order. Why? Because guys, it might happen that initial stages you don't get work because of more prices. So I just want to recommend you to have a small range, guys. If you are having more likes and you get more work, you can increase your price gradually. Okay, so this is per order. Okay, within a day, if you get 5 orders, guys, then you get $350 in your pocket by just 5 orders. You just need to do content writing. That's simple, guys. Okay, more than $100 per day average I will take, because my submission is 2 days. Okay, so add extra to this service, guys. If you want to offer, if you want to give some quick delivery service as well. Okay, if I just want to enable quick delivery, I can charge more dollars in emergency. Okay, and I can complete this within 1 day. Okay, so for premium members, if they have urgent requirement, this is the this is a thing that you need to offer, and you can offer other things as well. Okay, so I have completed within 1 day, guys. So within 2 days, $70. And if you are having urgent orders, so within 1 day I will give them the service and $100. Okay, so guys, if you want to give them the discount, okay, if you want to give them the discount, you can offer them the discount by clicking on this. Okay, I'm not doing any discount purpose. Okay, and I just click on this continue button. Okay guys, so draw them in with the amazing description. So guys, you need to give a good description. You can write it that show the audience retention in you. Why audience will give you the best offers? Why they are if they want to give you the service. Okay, what all credentials you need to have. Okay, I am a professional. Okay, professional content writer having 5 years plus 5 years more than, or we can say having more than 5 years of experience and can deliver I have just mistaken the spelling, and can deliver the content and can deliver the projects, I should say, and can deliver the projects within given time. Okay guys, it's very important because guys, they are only giving you the content based upon your experience and the delivery specifications. Okay, they all, guys, every customer or our clients want the projects to be completed within a given time period. Okay, and they want experienced person to work upon. So both the categories I have satisfied. Okay, just click on this and just click continue. Now requirements, tell the buyer exactly what you need to start. So guys, I just need to fill the requirements, give the description. Okay, description about the project. Okay guys, and second point is give a description of a project. Okay, you can do the Grammarly extension, guys. Okay, it is quickly it's a best extension, guys. Okay, so whatever grammatical mistakes that you have, just have this extension. Okay, so give a description of the project. Okay, and guys, advance 50% payment before and 50% payment after the successful completion. Okay, after the successful completion. Oh god, I'm very bad in spellings. Completion of the project. Okay, so guys, what it says, I should give advance 50% payment. Okay, before the project. Okay, before the project, and 50% payment after the successful completion of the project. Okay, so let us suppose, guys, in $100 you will take 50%, means $50 prior and $50 after that. Okay, so these are the two requirements that you need to give, guys. Why I need to give the requirements? Because it shows your professionalism. Okay, if you want more requirement, guys, it's very important. Guys, if you do not know what to write and if you do not have programming skills, still you can buy it, guys. You just take 50% payment from that client, okay, from your client on this website, and you can hire another individual who can do your project in who can do it in reasonable price, okay, who can do that project in reasonable price. If you are charging $100 per project, okay, then you can do it with $5 per project. You can ask other person, okay. So I will give you other persons as well, guys. Fiverr.com, I can see the Fiverr.com, okay. You just come up in this content writing, okay, content writing. You can hire an individual by getting a guys, by getting a reasonable price of customers, okay. These are highly paid customers, guys, okay. So you can hire lots of individuals in this website and pay them in advance, and you can earn the commission, okay. Just click on this continue, and what do I need to give, guys, okay. These are the reviews, okay. I just preview this thing, okay. Just click on this preview. You can see the preview of your what you have posted, okay, guys. You can just preview this thing, okay. Wait, I just need to click on this preview. You can see, guys, it's good to go. So this is your gig that you have this is the job that you have offered. So within you can see, guys, within particular time you are getting jobs, good jobs, guys, okay. So what it's very simple, guys, okay. You do not have to do anything. The buyers will comment on these kind of if they want to ask you some particular questions, okay, and you are good to go, guys. It's absolutely free of cost. You do not have to spend anything, okay. You just perform some operations and you are good to go, okay, guys. So this is how it looks like, okay, guys. So this is how it looks like, and there are another ways as well, guys, okay. I just come up in this click on this search bar, okay. Just come up in this jobs button, okay, and you can see, guys, there are ample of jobs, okay. Just click on this article, okay. Just click on this article writing, okay. This article writing, I just show you the specific niche, okay. And guys, based upon the projects you can set up your price, okay. Based upon the projects you can set up your price and filter it, okay. Let us suppose, guys, I just take minimum is my $100, okay. I just do the filtration part, filter it, okay. And you can filter it, and you can perform a bid on this, okay. You can see, guys, bid on particular max is $400, $125, okay. You just need to create a bid, okay. This bid is closed, so I'll search different bid. You can see, guys, there are other bids as well which is open. So guys, I have found another thing, okay. Just need a content writer, okay. I just click on this job, and you can just bid on these kind of things. So guys, what you need to enter on this bid section, I can do the job on a specific period of time, okay, and give some description that I am a professional, okay, professional content writer, okay, having more than 5 years of experience, okay, guys. You can set up this thing, and guys, you can enter okay, it should have 100 or more characters, okay. So I just find out 100 characters articles, okay, by setting up a bid, okay. You can do it on your own, guys. Just set up your biodata, okay, whatever your niche is, and just bid on a price, okay. So guys, this is a job which he is offering for $10. Just type $10 and set the bid, okay. What it will show, guys, I'm not giving more description, guys. Okay, you can do it on your own. Okay, just give some description about yourself. Okay, show them that I have done so much of projects. Okay, at the first go, guys. It's a way and a trick to get a job. Okay, just say, give them the reason that why are you better than others. Okay, and just click on this bid and you are getting job. Okay, this is when, guys, when you are not getting any kind of jobs. Okay, and you can see, guys, there are lots and lots of jobs, guys. You can set up, you know, your own your content writers and make them do that job, and you can earn a commission. Okay, you can hire from Fiverr.com and other designers as well, Upwork. There are lots and lots of freelancing websites that you can do it. Okay, you can see, guys, they are actually earning a good amount of money, guys. Okay, by just doing some particular jobs, and they are actually delivering the good products. Okay, so this is it for this, guys. I hope you can understand from my experience whatever I have taught you, how to register, how to set up the bids. I hope that, guys, you can also get money more than what I expect from you, guys. Okay, so this is it for this video, guys. We'll see you in the next.